Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and today we are going to see an amazingly delicious veg starter recipe, and it's paneer mushroom stir fry, which you can enjoy as an appetizer or as a side dish along with fried rice or noodles. So friends, let's get started with this quick and yummy recipe. And here in this bowl I have taken 200 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut lengthwise into this shape and size. And now we will season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes half teaspoon of white pepper, and to make them crispy I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And now very gently we need to coat the paneer or cottage cheese with the seasonings and corn flour. And this is done. We'll keep this aside for a moment. Next, here I've taken 1 packet of mushrooms sliced into half, and in the same way we will season the mushrooms also with some salt and white pepper. We'll give a mix, and now into this we will add around 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which we need to coat well with the mushrooms, and this will make the mushrooms crisp when we fry them. We'll keep this aside. Then for this recipe you'll also need some onions cut into long strips like this, some red, green and yellow bell peppers, and also around 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. And now we shall prepare a spicy and flavorful sauce. For that we'll take a bowl, and into it we'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Next goes a teaspoon of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce for extra spiciness. We'll now mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. I'm going to add a tablespoon of water as I found the consistency slightly thick. We'll mix this well again. And our spicy and flavorful sauce is ready. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that I've already heated sufficient oil to fry the mushrooms, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the mushrooms, and on medium flame we need to fry them until they turn crisp and deep golden brown. And by now the mushrooms are done crisp from outside, so I'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate, and you can enjoy them hot right away also with your favorite dip. And now in the same way we will fry the paneer or cottage cheese until they turn crisp and deep golden brown from both the sides. And these are also done. I'll take them off and keep them aside. Next, in a pan I have added a tablespoon of oil, and now into this we will add 3 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame we will stir fry them till the color changes and they turn aromatic. And once the onion, ginger, garlic are well sauteed, we will add the onion strips as well as the red, green and yellow bell peppers. We'll quickly give a stir and we'll season them with a pinch of salt and black pepper. We don't need to cook them much as we want to retain their crunch. And now into the pan we will add our crispy fried paneer and mushroom. We'll give a quick stir. Alright, and now time to add the sauce which we had prepared earlier. We'll mix this well until it's well combined with the mushroom, paneer and the veggies. And finally into this I will add 1 tablespoon of light corn flour slurry by adding just half a teaspoon of corn flour with water. We'll mix this well, and just before turning off the flame I will sprinkle some toasted white sesame seeds. You can also add some green spring onions. That's it, our paneer mushroom stir fry is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you will try this amazing paneer mushroom recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.